Imagine drifting toward a structure where light itself is consumed. Before you is a glowing, rapidly swirling disk of superheated gas, an environment so extreme that time itself begins to pass differently as you approach. For centuries, the motion of the heavens was explained through a relatively simple lens. Gravity was understood as an invisible force, a mechanical pull between two objects. In 1915, Albert Einstein published his general theory of relativity, which replaced that classical assumption with a new physical model. Einstein proposed that space and time are physically linked. In this model, mass causes the surrounding structure to curve, much like a heavy sphere placed on a stretched rubber sheet. This curvature is manageable around planets and stars, but it reaches a limit when a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel and collapses. Without the outward pressure of fusion to hold it up, the core compresses. If the mass is great enough, it folds space in on itself so steeply that not even light has the speed required to escape the inward pull. The result is a black hole. It is a region where the geometry of the universe becomes a one-way street, trapping everything that crosses its threshold. The perimeter of this trap is the event horizon. It isn't a physical wall or a visible surface, but a mathematical boundary in space. Once an object crosses this horizon, the paths of space and time twist. Every possible trajectory moving forward leads deeper into the center. There are no longer any physical paths that point back out. To understand what happens at this edge, we have to look at the experience of an astronaut drifting toward a supermassive black hole. Because gravity affects time, the clock on the astronaut's suit will tick slower and slower relative to a clock far away from the hole. From the perspective of a distant observer, the astronaut would appear to slow down as they reach the event horizon. They would seem to freeze at the edge, their image reddening and fading until they vanish from sight. But the astronaut experiences no such delay. From their perspective, they continue descending normally, crossing the horizon without noticing any change in time. The event horizon severs the connection between these two observers. It creates two separate timelines that can never again share information. As the astronaut continues deeper past the horizon, the gravitational gradient becomes increasingly violent. Because gravity strengthens with proximity, the pull on the astronaut's feet is significantly stronger than the pull on their head. This difference in force stretches the body vertically while squeezing it horizontally. Astronomers call this spaghettification. It is a process that reduces any complex material into thin, subatomic strands as it falls toward the core. At the very center of this collapse lies the singularity, a point where the mass of the entire star is compressed into zero volume. At this exact coordinate, the equations of general relativity fail. They return infinite values for density and curvature, meaning the math no longer provides a description of physical reality. This failure is a signal to physicists. It indicates that our current understanding of gravity is incomplete and cannot account for the conditions at the heart of a black hole. In 1974, Stephen Hawking looked for a solution by moving away from classical gravity and toward quantum mechanics. He predicted that black holes are not truly black. Instead, they emit a constant, tiny stream of thermal energy, now called Hawking radiation. Over vast periods of time, this emission causes a black hole to lose mass, shrink, and eventually evaporate entirely. This leads to the black hole information paradox. If a black hole disappears, all the information about the matter that fell into it appears to be deleted from the universe, a result that contradicts the laws of quantum physics. While science fiction often suggests these objects are gateways to other universes, there is no physical evidence to suggest that wormholes actually exist within them. The question of whether the universe can permanently erase information remains one of the most significant unsolved problems in modern science. For over a century, black holes were considered mathematical ghosts, entities that should exist according to the equations, but had never been seen. This changed in 2019 when the Event Horizon Telescope captured this image of a black hole's shadow in the galaxy Messier 87. In 2022, the project released the second image, showing the supermassive black hole at the center of our own galaxy, Sagittarius A star. These images do not show the hole itself, as it emits no light. They show the glowing ring of material being accelerated and heated just outside the point of no return. Observing these regions allows scientists to see how gravity behaves at its most extreme. They are the only places in the universe where the rules of the very large and the very small are forced to interact. Deciphering the physics inside these objects is the necessary step toward finding a single, unified theory that explains the entire universe.